Hi guys, it's Alice from Standout, and today I'm back with another video, a quick tutorial on how to navigate on our new community platform. As 2020 was a challenging year for everyone, we reckon support is highly valuable, which is why we create this community of professionals around the world, so we can connect with each other. The community is where we share our knowledge and get support when we need. As I mentioned, the community is a place for sharing and receiving support, so if those are the things you are looking for, feel free to join. And the best part is, it is indeed free. When you first enter, we encourage you to post a brief introduction. It doesn't have to be anything lengthy or complicated, even though we would love to learn more from you. It can be just as simple as, "Hi, my name is Alice, and I'm new to this community, looking forward to learning and growing with you all." Or it just can be as simple as, "Hi, my name is Alice, I'm new, nice to meet you all." Just as simple as that. Next, we encouraged you to pay attention to your message. Message is this little icon right here, and if there's a notification for unread message, we urged you to pay attention to it immediately, as we might be trying to reach you for information about the course you just purchased. Now let's talk about channels. So we have here website builder and general channels are public channels. They are open to everyone. And you can post nearly everything on the general channels, any post, any question, any discussion, any blog, but be aware that anything with hateful or rude comments will be deleted. And if you have any question related to our website builder, feel free to post it right here. And for the other channels, we have accelerators, Start Anything course, boot camps, one-on-one mentoring, all-in-one digital marketing kit. These are private channels that are only available to people who have purchased the access to this channel. So, for instance, if you just purchased the access to the all-in-one digital marketing kit and you want to enter the channel to get your material, please always click here on the left panel of your homepage here. Never click here to enter and get the material, because this is the link for new members to get more information about the kits and to pay for the access. That is why if you click here, it will ask you to pay again. Always enter the channel on this left panel of your homepage. So when you have purchased the access to this private channel, you will receive a welcome email which include a link to this channel. Just click on that link, you will arrive at this page, and right here at your corner should be the request for access, request to join the channel, and just click on that and our admin teams will verify you in immediately. Another tips to better navigate in your private channels, use these highlighted topics right here. So this digital marketing kits is for winning templates. So we have Facebook ad templates, email templates, funnel templates. If you only want to see maybe email templates, just click right here and the system will filter out only relevant posts. That's pretty great. And our last tip is, so for instance, if you are a member of this digital marketing kit or the one-on-one mentoring or the Sell Anything course channel, you will probably only want to see Mr. Antonio posts. So you can click on his name right here, go to his homepage, you will see all of his posts right here, which will be very easy for you to find the posts you need. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always stand out. See you in my next video.